There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Ang bida ng saya, Jollibee, Jollibee, manatili ka muna dyan. Palakpakan mo para kay Jollibee! Gusto niyo bang i-hug si Jollibee? Okay, mamaya muna. Tatawagin muna po natin lahat ng mga birthday celebrant natin. Our celebrator, Maxi, Kobe, Exodus, Mercy, Marlon, Vaughn, and Shama. Ano to? And 25th birthday of Ate Yang. And of course, the first birthday of RL Isa.
Happy birthday,
Come on, calling all the birthday celebrants on stage.
Happy birthday,
Yung mga birthday celebrants.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Bigyan natin ng isang malakas sa palakpakan ng mga happy birthday today! Okay, once again, Maxi, Kobe, Exodus, Missy, Marlon, Vaughn, and Shama, and Ate Yang. Ay, eto pala si Ate Yang. Mantrisha. Happy birthday, Mantrisha. And the first birthday of RL is